Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did this look on Instagram, I think it was Friday or Saturday, and you guys seem to really like it. It is using the W7 Vivids Fluorescent and Fabulous pigment palette. I picked this up at Five Below. I had shown you guys. So I wanted to recreate it. I hope it came out the same. I feel like it's missing something. But I really like it, and it goes with my shirt. That's why I wanted to recreate it, because I was gonna do the look anyways for this shirt. Let me stop rambling. If you're new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. And if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm using this Vivids palette. It's from W7. I showed you guys in a haul, and I wanted to do something easy and simple. I know I'm using the yellow, but I just think it's such a beautiful color, and because of the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing, this was the inspiration I wanted. I know you guys had seen this look before and you guys really liked it, so I figured since I'm already gonna do it, I might as well film it. So here I'm just adding the yellow to the inner corner, like the middle half of the eyelid. Nothing crazy, just, patting it in halfway. Same on the other side. Then I'm gonna go in with the pink, which is like a neon pink, on the outer end, the other half of the lid, tapping just in case there's fallout. There really wasn't any, but I wanted that patting motion because I feel like it really packs in color and makes it really opaque. So that's what I'm gonna do to the outer corner, and that's how that looks. Simple. It's like a starburst, very easy, 2 shades, nothing crazy, no cut crease, no nothing, just a nice summery bright look using minimal colors. So that's what I'm doing, tapping on the outer end, nothing crazy. I was going to do tape, but I was like, you know what? I'm just going to let it go and see how it turns out. And I really love how it turned out. Very bright, very, neon, love. So simple, something simple. That's it. I'm going to take the middle, it's like a glittery pink, just to put in between the two to give it a little bit of something. You're not going to see it much, but I can see it. It's like a very light shimmer. So I'm putting that in the center, and that's all I'm doing. Nothing crazy. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it and I like it. So it gives it kind of like a center orangey look, but basic. Now I'm going to put a jumbo white pencil. You can use any one that you have just to make the pigment really pop. And I'm going to go in with the purple that's in there, which is another neon, beautiful color right on the bottom. I was going to do green, but then I was like, no, I have a couple of looks like that. So we're going to do the purple, and look how beautiful that turned out. I was going to do a wing liner, and then I changed my mind. I wanted it easy breezy, simple. So those are the 3 colors that I basically stuck with: the yellow, the pink, and that purple color. So now I'm going to take a little bit of the brown, very little, just so that my lashes look a little thicker. I wasn't going to do like a bold look, like a bold liner, but I did want to darken it just a little, just so that my lashes look a little bit thicker. Simple. I'm going to go in with the Essence Lash Mascara. That's how that looks. Nothing crazy. I was going to do liner, but I said no. Let me do the rest of my hair. I just curled a little. It didn't come out as I wanted it, and today was super hot, 96. I don't know what I was thinking leaving my hair down. The curls got all crazy towards the end of the day, but that's what I wanted. So, and then I'm gonna just do a little bronzer, a little blush, a little highlight, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Just to give my face a little bit more color. I feel like I haven't gotten that much sun, even though it's been super hot, but I wanted to bronze it up just a little bit, see if I can give myself a little bit of color. And then blush, I try to stick with the same kind of like pinky color for the blush and not do like a nude. And it just gave my face a little bit of like a sun-kissed glow, I feel like. Let me know what you think. This shirt, like I was saying, inspired my look today. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this highlighter. You're not gonna really see much because anyways I'll be wearing my mask, but I wanted to give it a little bit of something. And then I'm just gonna spray my face to set it all. And we's done. Oh no, I gotta do my lips. The strap kept falling. They're not adjustable. I picked this top up. Actually, my sister gave me this top. It's from TJ Maxx. They're not adjustable. They kept falling. But once I put my cardigan for work, you're not really gonna see all that. So yeah. Simple lip. A little bit of shine on there. That's the I don't know what that is. Oh, Laura Mercier lip gloss, just to give me a little bit of a shine in the center. Again, I'm gonna be putting my mask, so you're not gonna see it, but this is the look. What do you think? What do you think? Pretty simple, pretty simple. Not too many colors, but I feel like it did make a statement. What do you think? Yes, yes, let me know. And then this is the outfit. This is the top. I wear it with some white slacks and some mules, but I did have to put a cardigan. That's the look with the cardigan. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.